Hey guys, what's up? I don't know why everybody starts their videos that way, but it always makes me crack up. Anyways, hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for checking in. Got a surprise for you guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Definitely give me a like or comment. So I got a new project. Got a new boat. Here it is. Look at that. Beautiful. What a beautiful boat. Got a little Bass Tracker 3. All right, so here's the thing is, as the tug dealer, we've decided we need to upgrade our watercraft situation, and so I found this boat online. And story behind it is, apparently some guy brought it into a shop and had a bunch of work done on it, if you can believe that, and then skipped the bill. So the guy in the shop tore the motor off and then just put this thing in a field and kind of let it rot away. So I found it in Houston. I bought it. It's a couple things we're gonna have to fix right here. We're gonna do a restoration. My goal is to turn this into a river jet boat. So we're gonna put an outboard jet on it. We're gonna leave this cockpit open, put a sole in, obviously take all this out, casting deck up here. We're gonna do rear deck. The great thing is this thing's already framed in, so a lot of this is some of it's gonna come out, but like this is the live well. This, we're gonna cut this out, put new foam in here, both sides. The big thing is this transom. So this transom is what's that? Oh, that's cool. Is completely rotted. You can tell right there. I mean, it's falling apart. It's hard to believe anybody put a motor on this thing. This is a pretty common problem with tracker boats and just old John boats in general. Is people will just put treated wood back here. It's, I believe this is a 97, and soaks up a lot of water and just rots out. So the tricky part is in order to replace this transom, we're gonna have to come in here and cut through these welds and take this off. So it's going to be a multiple. Oh, and this is the part right here. So this guy told me that this is where like all the steering wires went, because up here was where your driver's seat was. And I guess the guy was so mad that the guy skipped his bill, he just freaked out and like cut this open, like completely cut this open, just ripped it out and ripped the engine off and sold it. So we're gonna fix all that. This is gonna be the trickiest part right here. It's coming up with a way to refab this. I've got some ideas, maybe some angle iron right here. The other problem that we're gonna have to deal with is, you can see it looks like somebody actually cut into this. This is a stress fracture. Well, this right here is actually a stress fracture, as is this. So we're gonna have to get in here. We're gonna run some angle iron across that, have somebody weld it in. I don't weld aluminum, so we'll have to have somebody do that. All right, I love this. So I thought the tire looked a little wobbly, like around Luling. Turns out I was driving down I-10. I don't know if you can see that. Bearing's completely gone. Like, pretty lucky. Look at this. This thing's almost coming off. Pretty lucky this thing didn't just fall off the trailer. That would have been bad. So obviously got a little bit of a project here. The trailer's shot. We're gonna get rid of that and we'll get a new one. Got quite the project to do here. If you guys want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, give me a like. Hope I didn't bite off more than I can chew, and I think it'll be fun. And if we can do the things that we need to do to it, I think it'll be a pretty awesome riverboat, and can get in some pretty skinny water. So you guys stay tuned, follow along. The tug is the drug. Tug dealer out.